Hey there guys, what's up and welcome to Finance Ninja. Finding a job is excruciatingly painful, so how do you get out of this one? That's easy. If you follow the detailed steps below, life will be bliss. Keep in mind that even though this method requires only a small portion of your day, like around 10 minutes, you can keep it coming and earn more than you intended to. All will be explained in how to earn $530 per hour by just copy and pasting for free, make money online. Number 9, the YouTube video for copying and pasting content. Before I get into things, I'd like to suggest that you watch this YouTube video from start to finish. Not only does it tell you the exact way of using the specific money-earning website, but it even guides you through an extensively researched and helpful follow-through to get money even more seamlessly than before. Now who could say no to that? The YouTuber uses Capterra, and you can check out more about the simply amazing software that we're going to cover. Number 8, Capterra and what it is. Consumers may read and post evaluations for software products and companies they've used on Capterra, which gives possible future customers a better understanding of what the program or company is and how trustworthy it is. Capterra doesn't have any actual items. However, merchants can contact them to advertise and review their website or software application. Capterra wants to help companies get their names out there and create reviews with both a premium and free version. If a corporation chooses the premium option, they'll be able to publish themselves and their software on the internet for others to review. The company's account administrator will also have access to a variety of data and activity reports that will show them how their program is doing. Number 7, how does it work? You must create an account on the website capterra.com using your LinkedIn profile in order to leave a review. Else, use the long method and sign up, typing out answers that might seem tedious at first, but don't worry, they're worth it. Make sure that you set up your account by, let's not judge, over-exaggerating your expertise. For instance, hit those 5 stars if they ask you about your technical skills. No one will look into it really, but this is just insurance that they pick your review once you publish it to them. The login is to confirm that you're a genuine person and not a bot who's going online and rating stuff in order to make the company or software appear more appealing and better than it is. Once you've created an account, you'll be able to leave reviews on things you've used and purchased. If you wish to advertise your business or software, you must pay to do so. As previously stated, there are 2 approaches to accomplishing this, a free way and a paid way. Regardless of the option you select, you must first contact Capterra by phone or email and discuss the program you want with them. Number 6, cost and price plans. You'll need to acquire an estimate from Capterra for the cost of listing your company or software. There are ways for you to make money by placing adverts on their website, but it will depend on what you publish, how often you post it, and how much traffic it receives. There isn't much publicly available information on the rates and price of their solutions. Number 5, customer service. If you have any complaints or questions, please contact Capterra using the following contact information. Capterra's email address is info@capterra.com, or you can go straight to their website in order to contact them. For refund and cancellations, here's what you can do. If you have any issues with the financial part of any transaction you complete, write an email to the address we just provided and describe the problem or problems in detail. They'll surely get back to you in a jiffy to solve all of your problems. Number 4, customer reviews. Capterra has received mixed reviews. About half of the users give it a 5-star rating, noting that it's a wonderful method to learn more about certain software and companies, as well as gain a better grasp of some of the things they may be interested in. The style enables for rapid access to a variety of evaluations with landing pages that include all of the necessary information. Nearly a quarter of the people gave it a 1-star rating due to complaints. They say that Capterra doesn't pay merchants according to their agreements or that they're unable to create accounts. Reviewers often claim that they're unable to create accounts or have their reviews accepted, resulting in skewed results. Number 3, alternatives. Here are the alternatives if you find Capterra to be too much of a hassle. First, there's Gartner. Gartner and Capterra are quite comparable in that they both provide the same type of service. Gartner focuses on letting consumers rate and evaluate a wide range of applications and organizations in the IT sector. Companies, on the other hand, might pay for their software to be made available for assessment online. The main difference between the tools is the amount of analysis you can perform. Gartner is built in such a manner that you may compare 2 or more items and even get personalized suggestions from them. Software Shortlist is another website that allows people to generate online evaluations for a variety of different software and tech-related firms. They're unique in that they allow customers to enter a number of software requirements that the system will use to match them with the program that best meets their needs. The website's other features, such as corporations paying for listings, users writing reviews, and so on, are quite similar to Capterra's. Finally, there's G2 Solutions. In terms of appearance, website style, and general objective, G2 Solutions is extremely similar to Capterra. It focuses on offering a review platform that allows users to remark on what they liked about a company, firms to engage with users, and businesses to have a better understanding of what their consumers think of them and their products. When it comes to corporations being able to communicate with their consumers, G2 Crowd is more sophisticated. Capterra's reviews are straightforward, and there isn't much potential for two-way dialogue, but G2 Crowd aims to create a more engaging business model. Number 2, can you review for Capterra somewhere else? You must visit Capterra's website to participate in this evaluation process and submit your feedback on a variety of products and companies mentioned there. Doing business with Capterra outside of their official website may not be legitimate, and it's strongly advised that you resolve all concerns with Capterra directly rather than using an outside source. Number 1, the bottom line. Overall, Capterra is an excellent resource for researching software and software firms, as well as seeing what other people have to say about the product you want to purchase. There's a chance you'll run into some issues when it comes to giving reviews and or uploading your own software on their website. If you want to purchase software, you should conduct a comprehensive study to verify that it's both safe and appropriate for you. If you've used Capterra before, you're probably aware of how simple it is to use the site. It's never been easier to make money. If you're interested in using Capterra to make money, then let us know in the comments down below. And before we head out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to be notified of more juicy content like this going forward. And as always, I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now!